Well, welcome back to another Mountain Standard Time episode. I'm gonna spend the next little bit following my dad and just talking about the riding and what he's doing to set himself up. That was pretty funny blooper to start the video out. Just put it in reverse if you can. Nothing to it. Standing on one side of the sled and then going back to neutral, thinking about where he wants to go. Oh. Nice. Yeah, transferring his weight. I'm gonna go over here. There's a little stumpy stick there. Putting my ski in where his track is actually going into the snow really helps with following. Makes it easier to turn. Yeah, looking forward. Picking lines well in advance. Gonna be smooth. Pretty consistent with the throttle. Riding the brake as well a little bit. Not all the time, but when you give it a spurt of gas, generally that's always followed up with a bit of brake. Otherwise the sled is going forward too much and the track doesn't really set in. Oh, decisions. Well, the line he picked be a good one. I may as well just follow him right in here. Oh boy, that's looking kind of nasty. What do you figure, Dad?
Well, I figured there's way too many logs in front of me.
Way too many logs in front of you.
Would you go through that?
No, I don't really see a line there.
I thought that looked like I could get out.
Yeah, we can back you up. Nice. Sometimes you gotta use the reverse. Back to the challenge of making the decisions. Looking forward, keeping a little bit of momentum. Oh yeah, this is fun in here. Machine. It's a 2025 skidoo freeride 850 turbo 154. Trail side shenanigans. Looks like we're gonna do the trail here for a little bit.
Sled stopped, but I didn't.
Yeah.
I don't know why the sled stopped.
So my dad is very much like a legs straight, stand up kind of a rider. And with that body positioning, when you hit something unexpected, it's that much easier to go over the bars like that. If you're in the really aggressive, like knees bent motocross racing position, you're less likely to be tossed over like that. That was pretty funny though, Dad.
Yeah.
Oh! My dad loves this kind of riding. Two legs on one side just helps transfer the weight a little bit without being too aggressive. Where when you're completely thrown forward like this, you're really transferring weight either side. It's crazy how much brake a person uses riding in trees like this. Woohoo! Yeah, my dad's brake light is constantly going on if you haven't noticed yet. Oh no, in the blast zone. You get close enough, it doesn't blast you as bad. And staying loose while you're riding the sled, trying to have like pretty loose grip, steering with your legs a lot. Try to set the sled up to do all the work for you, or most of the work is definitely the key to saving energy. I always try to ride with a very loose grip, otherwise I get arm pump way too fast and get tired. So, just something to keep in mind. I also run those grip plates. They really help you steer with your legs a lot more rather than having to hang on to the sled as much with your arms. Yeah, this stuff isn't super technical, or well, it's actually pretty technical. It's not super steep though, so it's kind of lower consequence. Keeps it really fun for my dad. That was quite the log off. He likes challenging himself. He likes, you know, practicing, making the sled do what he wants. But he's also not interested in having an extreme day, you know, in a really steep area where when you make mistakes, it's like very serious. Yeah, this is perfect terrain and really good snow. Powdery, but relatively firm underneath. Provides lots of traction, and it's still fun. Neverland? Having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was awesome.
No.
Well, there you have it. That was a lot of fun following my dad through the trees. He really enjoys that kind of terrain, and it was nice that we found a spot where there wasn't any old tracks, and hopefully you learned a couple of pointers or tips from me following him, talking about his riding and my riding. Comment below if you learned anything. Thanks for watching this Mountain Standard Time episode. Stay tuned for next Thursday's video at 1:16 Mountain Standard Time. Woo!